an introduction to PIXLIP EXPO. Let's get started. Striving, setting up, connecting, and other special cases. Those are covered in other videos. Here, we're just focusing on the basics. This is a Lightbox from the Expo system, and we'll show you how to assemble the frame, how to stretch the fabric, and most importantly, how to make the Lightbox shine so beautifully. Once all the parts are ready, first put on your work gloves, because of the sharp, mitered edge. And we'll start right away with assembling the frame. To do this, we place the bottom profile exactly where the Lightbox will later stand. Now we take the Expo corner connectors and slide them into the profile on the left and right until they stop. We simply tighten the large plastic nuts by hand, and as you can see, for the entire assembly we don't need any strength or tools. Before we mount the sides, we check whether the vertically positioned nuts in the corner connectors are loose. Otherwise, it will get fiddly in a moment. Now we slide the profiles vertically onto the corner connectors. It's important to note that everything fits together very precisely. With a bit of wiggling, we make sure that the mitered edges sit flush and the gap is kept to a minimum. And here as well, tighten the nuts hand tight. We take the last profile and attach the two remaining corner connectors. Tighten the screws slightly so that the connectors don't slip off on their own. And then we climb up the ladder. A frame of this size I can assemble by myself. But if it gets a bit bigger, then I need a second person. So now we first place the first corner onto one side of the standing side profile, then on the other side, and let the corner connectors slide into the side profiles. And when both sides are in place and we've tapped them lightly again, we tighten the last two nuts by hand, securely. Afterwards, we use the supplied PIXLIP wrench to properly tighten all 8 nuts at all corners. There we go, the frame is standing. Now let's take care of the lighting. These are the PIXLIP LED modules. They are both light source and power supply in one and can be used anywhere within the Expo system. Simply click them into the middle groove of the profiles. No tools needed. And if you pull up the plastic clips, you can move, fine-tune, and remove the LED modules. Make sure you insert them the right way around. Here the connector needs to be male if the cable is being fed through this connection. Now we can insert all the modules. Alright, now it's time for the wiring. We run the power cable from the outside through the system hole into the frame and split it here with the Y cable. We start at the bottom and connect the LED modules one after another using the supplied connection cables. Simply mount them in series, connecting module to module. Now use the extension to go upwards and continue through. To avoid casting shadows, we click the cable into the profile on the side. Alright, now let's do a quick light test. Now it's time for the covering. We'll start with the back side. I start at the top in one corner and press the piping directly into the groove of the frame. Then I work my way around piece by piece. This way, the fabric sits nice and smooth without any wrinkles. Right after that comes the front side. Here too, I start again in the corner and pull the printed fabric tight. Finally, we connect the power and the Lightbox lights up. Simple, sturdy, and as always, a real eye-catcher. And the best part is, Expo is a system. Everything fits together, can be combined, connected, and expanded for maximum freedom in design, function, and format. You can find more videos about the Expo system at PIXLIP.